Subscribe to the channel to regularly receive the latest videos from YouTube. GooCarRW.
Honda CBR 150R will be launched in India. The design of the Honda CBR 300R 2017 and CBR 250R are identical, in that the Honda CBR 300R is sold in the US and UK markets. The CBR 250R was launched in Japan this February. The strength of the two cars comes from the 249cc unit, giving 28.6 horsepower and 23 Nm of torque. If Honda launches the CBR 300R, this car will compete with the KTM RC 390 in the same segment, another name that should be the next TVS Apache RR 310S. In case the Honda CBR 150R 2017 is launched, it will have to compete with rival Yamaha R15 version 2.0 being sold in the market.